Hi there! My name is Pia. Welcome to my channel, Rameliving, and I'm so happy that you're here because in today's video, I'm going to show you 3 beautiful recipes using a nutritional compound that give you strength and vigority. So stay tuned! And this compound's name is called ashwagandha, and this is a natural root that has been used in Asian medicine for more than 6,000 years ago. And it's crazy, guys, because I'm a nutritionist and regards all of my studies in nutrition until I traveled to India and started studying Indian Ayurvedic medicine, I have never heard about this amazing root. And what is Ayurveda? Well, Ayurveda is a really ancient medicine. Its origin is from India, and they uses all of these natural compounds to deal with diseases or any health approach. So I made a course in nutrition, Ayurvedic nutrition, and I realized that the ashwagandha is one of the top supplements, nutritional supplements that they use for many things. So it caught my attention. I started studying it way more, and it's crazy, guys. I just wish that everybody can take it because this root, it has so much positive effects on your health. Imagine that in this Indian ancient medicine, it is called as rasayana. That rasayana is anything that make you live longer, meaning that it has anti-aging properties. And the other classification is Bayikara. The Bayikara means that it has Aphrodisiac properties. Now, in the modern science, after studying ashwagandha and all of its properties, it is classified as an adaptogen. And what it means that is these supplements that has these compounds that helps bring balance to the body, meaning that it helps to reduce all of the physical and all the chemical stresses in the body. The main effects that ashwagandha can bring to your body, this is the stress hormone. Especially in the modern life, we have this hormone really high, and it brings so much stress into our body, which is not a healthy thing to happen. So it brings you the cortisol down. This is an amazing effect, which this is gonna bring you way better performance in any task that you're doing. And this is especially, for example, people that are into sports, is gonna bring you way better performance. So this is an amazing effect. And why? Because it puts all of the physical and chemical stressors down, and the less stress you have in your body, physically speaking, it will bring you way better anti-aging effects. And studies have shown how the male sperm count get enhanced after drinking ashwagandha constantly, and it brings the testosterone levels higher. So it brings like more vitality in your sexual organs, especially in males. But the same effect has in the women, because it give you like the uterus has way more strength, and your sexual organs has way more vitality. The studies that show how the anxiety levels of the people decreases like significantly after taking ashwagandha into their diets. So as you can see, this is an amazing compound that will bring you so much benefits in different levels, and it can be taken by any age, and it's really easy because, well, I wanted to show you, this is the ashwagandha that I brought from India. In there is really easy to get it. I took it from the university, well, the hospital that I was doing the course, that is called Greens Ayurveda, which is amazing. It is in Kerala in the south of India. But I did the investigation, and actually ashwagandha, you can buy it on Amazon, so it's really accessible for any country. So please don't skip buying it and start drinking this beautiful nutritional supplement. And in today's video I want to show you 3 recipes which I love, which are these smoothie bowls. They're super tasty, super easy to make, super highly nutritional, and you can put ashwagandha on them so you can have a super amazing breakfast that is gonna give you lots of vigority and energy, and is gonna put your stress down. So let's begin. For this recipe, you're gonna need 2 cups of frozen banana, 1/4 cup of vegan meal, half a cup of frozen berries, 1/4 cup of beetroot, 1 tablespoon of ashwagandha. Now you're gonna mix all the ingredients together in a good blender or food processor. Now pour the mix in a bowl. And add all of your favorite toppings. You're gonna need 2 cups of frozen banana, 1/4 cup of vegan meal, 2 tablespoons of powdered chocolate, 1 tablespoon of natural peanut butter or almond butter, 1 tablespoon of ashwagandha. Mix nicely all of the ingredients and just add your favorite toppings. This smoothie bowl is just perfect before any physical activity. And last but not least, our green smoothie bowl. For this, you're gonna need 2 cups of frozen banana, 2 cups of green leaves, it could be kale or spinach, 1/4 cup of vegan meal, half avocado, 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger, 1 tablespoon of ashwagandha. Mix nicely all of the ingredients. Now pour the mix in a bowl and again add your favorite toppings. Well guys, did you see how easy it is? So now I'm gonna enjoy this amazing, powerful smoothie bowl. You can use it as a breakfast or you can use it as a snack any time of the day. So, bon appetit! So my friends, I hope that you liked the video. If you do, please thumbs up to this video. And I want to tell you that these recipes, you can find it on my blog as rameliving.com, so you can have it there written down. And I want to invite you to see another video that I made about the ashwagandha. Up here, you're gonna see the link, or in the description box down, so you can see it and have more recipes with this nutritional supplement. And last but not least, I want to invite you to follow me on Instagram as Rameliving, because I'm constantly putting new recipes and new tips so you can have a more healthy and happy life. Okay, so see you next week with my new video. Thanks so much for staying tuned. Bye.